The 2013 GMC Terrain. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.